In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ZArchiver needs permission to read, modify, and delete files to access your phone's file error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you have just opened your ZArchiver and this is the error you are encountering, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get started, just go ahead and click on OK, and then this will take you to all files access. Here all you need to do is just to grant access to all files. So if I just toggle this, allow access to manage all files, now this will grant permission to ZArchiver. However, if you are not redirected, then you need to do this manually. And to do this, first go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings look for this option called apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app by name, and here it is. Tap on it to open. You need to look for this option, app permissions. It should be under permissions. Tap on it, and now you can see we have several permissions that needs to be allowed. So go to permissions that are not allowed, such as this files and media. You can see it's not allowed. Tap on it, allow management of all files. By tapping on this, now just confirm by tapping on allow, and now you'll have granted permission. So that's how you can fix this restriction. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.